Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your English sample paper with solutions.
Hello everybody. Today we are solving sample paper 4 for class 6 for English. Let us begin with question number 1. A person who studies the stars and planets. Options are A. Astronomer, B. Astrologer, C. Meteorologist, and D. Geologist. The correct answer is option A. Astronomer. An astronomer scientifically studies stars, planets, and other celestial bodies. Moving to question number 2. Identify the sentence type. Hurry up, the bus is about to leave. The correct option is option C, imperative. The sentence hurry up gives a command or an instruction which makes it an imperative sentence. The key is to focus on the purpose and not just the punctuation. An imperative sentence gives a command, request, or advice, and thus, in the case that has been given to us, we have to ignore the exclamation mark. Question number 3. Fill in the blank. Either the dog or the cat dash to be taken to the vet. A. Need. B. Needs. C. Are. D. Have. The correct option is option B. Needs. Question number 4. Choose the correct form. They dashed to the zoo last Sunday. A. Go. B. Went. C. Goes. And D. Were going. The correct option is B. Went. It is the simple past. The phrase last Sunday talks about the past action that is now over. That is the simple past. Question number 5. Identify the determiner. I saw dash people at the concert last night. Option A, a few. Option B, every. Option C, a. Option D, much. The correct answer is option A, a few. People is a countable noun and we can use the determiner a few with people. Question number 6 and 7 are based on the notice given below. Notice, exam schedule update. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the science exam scheduled for March 15th has been postponed to March 17th. The timing and the venue remain the same. Students are requested to take a note of this change and prepare accordingly. Question number 6. When was the science exam originally scheduled? A. March 15th, B. March 16th, C. March 17th, D. March 18th. The correct option is A. March 15th. Question 7. What has changed about the exam? A. The venue, B. The timing, C. The subject, D. The date. The correct option is D. The date. Question 8. Determine the clause type. If you work hard, you will succeed. Option A, independent and phrase. Option B, phrase and dependent. Option C, dependent and independent. D, dependent and dependent. The first clause in the sentence, if you work hard, begins with if, which is a subordinating conjunction. Hence, it is the dependent clause. And the second half of the sentence, you will succeed, makes complete sense and it can stand on its own. Hence, it is an independent clause. Thus, the correct option is option C, dependent and independent. Question 9. What is the adjective in this sentence? The breathtaking view left everyone speechless. A. Breathtaking. B. Left. C. Everyone. D. Speechless. The correct answer is option A. Breathtaking. The word breathtaking is describing the word view, which is a noun. Hence, it is an adjective. Question 10. Unscramble the sentence. Unexpected result and provided experiment the new. A. The new experiment provided an unexpected result. B. Provided an unexpected result, new experiment the. C. The experiment result, new and unexpected provided. D. New experiment provided the result and unexpected. The correct option is option A. The new experiment provided an unexpected result. Question 11. Identify the tense of the underlined verb in the sentence. The train had departed before we reached the platform. A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Past continuous. The correct answer is C. Past perfect. It is had plus the third form of the verb. Moving on to question number 12. Select the synonym for contemplate. A. Ignore. B. Consider. C. Refuse. D. Deny. The correct answer is B. Consider. Contemplate means to think about something carefully. Consider has the same meaning, so it is the correct synonym. Question 13 is an analogy. Seed is to plant as idea is to. Option A, thought. Option B, action. Option C, invention. Option D, growth. The correct answer is option C, invention. Just the way a seed develops into a plant, similarly, an idea develops into an invention. Moving on to question number 14, a place where animals are kept and exhibited. A. Aquarium. B. Aviary. C. Zoo. D. Sanctuary. The correct answer is option C. Zoo. Moving on to question number 15. Rearrange the sentence. Complicated more is this anticipated problem than we. A. This problem is more complicated than we anticipated. B. This problem than anticipated we more is complicated. C. Complicated problem than anticipated this we is more. D. The problem anticipated more is than complicated this. The correct option is option A. This problem is more complicated than we anticipated. Question 16. What type of sentence is this? Is this the correct answer to the question? A. Declarative. B. Interrogative. C. Imperative. and D. Exclamatory. The correct option is B. Interrogative, since the sentence is asking a question. Question number 17 to 20 are based on the passage titled The Water Cycle. The water cycle, also known as hydrological cycle, describes how water moves through Earth's systems. It begins with evaporation, where water from oceans, rivers, lakes turns into vapor due to sun's heat. This vapor rises and cools, forming clouds through condensation. When the clouds become heavy, they release water back to the ground as precipitation, such as rain, snow, or hail. Some of this water flows into rivers, while some seeps into the soil, replenishing underground reservoirs. This continuous process ensures that water is cycled and reused in nature. Question 17. What triggers evaporation in the water cycle? A. Wind. B. The sun's heat. C. Clouds forming. D. Rain. The correct option is option B. The sun's heat. Question 18. What happens during condensation? A. Water vapor forms clouds. B. Water turns into vapor. C. Rain falls to the ground. D. Water freezes into ice. The correct option is option A. Water vapor forms clouds. Question number 19. How is underground water replenished? A. By precipitation soaking into the soil. B. By rivers flooding. C. By glaciers melting. D. By tides rising. The correct option is A. By precipitation soaking into the soil. Question number 20. What type of precipitation might fall in cold weather? A. Rain. B. Hail. C. Snow. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option D. Both B and C. Choose the correct spelling. A word for to improve or make better. A. ENHANCE. B. ENANCE. C. INHANCE. D. ANANCE. The correct answer is option A. ENHANCE, and the word that we are looking for is enhance. Question 22. Find the mistake. If I was the manager, I would approve this request. A. If I was. B. The manager. C. I would approve. D. There is no error. The correct answer is option A. If I was. This is a second conditional sentence, which is an imaginary or an unreal situation. The correct structure is if plus the past subjunctive, that is were, and would plus the base verb. The correct sentence would be, if I were the manager, I would approve this request. Question 23. Choose the adverb modifying another adverb. The athlete ran very quickly during the race. Option A, ran. Option B, quickly. Option C, very. And option D, race. The correct option is option C, very. Very is an adverb that is telling us something more about another adverb, quickly. Very is modifying another adverb, hence it is the correct option. Question 24. Identify the passive form. She has completed her assignments. A. Her assignments were completed by her. B. Her assignments are being completed by her. C. Her assignments have been completed by her. D. Her assignments will be completed by her. The correct choice is option C. Her answers have been completed by her. Here, the object is the subject and the tense, that is the present perfect tense, has remained intact in the passive voice. Question number 25. Oar is to boat as pedal is to A. Car, B. Bicycle, C. Machine, D. Plane. The correct answer is option B. Bicycle. An oar is used to move a boat and a pedal is used to move a bicycle. Question 26. Choose the correct sentence with the homonym well. A. She dug a well in her backyard. B. He is doing well in his studies. C. The well is a source of fresh water. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. The word well is a homonym because it has different meanings. One meaning is a source of water, and the other means that in a good or a satisfactory manner. All the sentences given in the choices correctly use the word well with different meanings, hence, all of them are correct. Question 27. Rewrite in future tense. They enjoyed the concert last night. A. They will enjoy the concert last night. B. They will enjoy the concert tonight. C. They will be enjoying the concert tonight. D. They enjoy the concert tomorrow. The correct answer is option B. They will enjoy the concert tonight. Rearrange the following words into a proper sentence. Question number 29. Effort, persistence, success requires a consistent. A. Success requires effort, consistent and persistent. B. Consistent effort and persistence requires success. C. Success requires consistent effort and persistence. D. Persistence, effort, and consistent success requires. The correct option is option C. Success requires consistent effort and persistence. Question number 30. Identify the error. She prefer tea over coffee in the morning. A. She. B. Prefer. C. Over. D. There is no error. The correct option is option B. Prefer. She is a singular pronoun and will take a singular verb. Hence, the correct sentence would be she prefers tea over coffee in the morning. Question number 31. Choose the type of sentence. Don't touch that vase. It's fragile. A. Declarative. B. Interrogative. C. Imperative. D. Exclamatory. The correct answer is C. Imperative. Question 32. A person who can speak two languages fluently. A. Linguist. B. Bilingual. C. Translator. D. Multilingual. The correct option is option B. Bilingual. Question 33. Select the dependent clause. He won the match because he practiced daily. A. He won the match. B. Because he practiced daily. C. He practiced daily. D. He won. The correct option is option B. Because he practiced daily. We must remember that the dependent clause always begins with a subordinating conjunction. Question number 34, convert to passive voice. He is cleaning the house now. A, the house is being cleaned by him now. B, the house was being cleaned by him now. The house has been cleaned by him now. D, the house is cleaned by him now. The correct option is option A, the house is being cleaned by him now. Question 35 is yet another analogy. Needle is to sew as a shovel is to option A, dig, B, carry, C, cut, D, plant. The correct option is option A, dig. A needle is used to sew and a shovel is used to dig. Hence, the analogy is based on the utility of the tool given. Question 36. Find the correct verb. The data dash accurate and ready for analysis. A are, B is, C have, D were. The correct option is B is. Question 37. Which word is the action verb? The scientist conducted an experiment to test the hypotheses. A, scientist, B, conducted, C, experiment, D, hypotheses. The correct option is option B, conducted. Question number 38, fill in the blank. They visited dash Eiffel Tower during their trip to Paris. A, B, an, C, the, D, none of these. The correct option is option C, the. We use the before names of unique and famous monuments. Since there is only one Eiffel Tower, the is correct. Find the synonym of reluctant. A, hesitant, B, eager, C, confident, D, sure. The correct option is option A, hesitant. Reluctance means unwilling or hesitant to do something. Hesitant has a similar meaning, so it is the correct synonym. Find the misspelled word. The business expanded rapidly over the past year. Option A, business, business. Option B, expanded, expanded. Option C, rapidly, rapidly. And option D, past, past. The correct option is option A. The word business has been misspelled. The correct spelling is business. With this, we come to the end of sample paper 4 for class 6 English. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice time ahead.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.